sumubok na balang araw ay lilisan din, upang sana piling larangan ay sumubok. Sa maliit naming kalye, lahat nagmamabilis, lahat nagmamadali, handang-handa na sa isang bagong umaga. Gusto mong mapatunayan, halika sa school at ang iyong mamasdan, mga kwento, maraming bago, tsak magugulat, mamamang iba't ibang kwento sa'yo'y lalantad. Sa pagputok ng haring araw, mga eksenang ito ang matatanaw, mga larawan ng ligaya, pagsisikap at pag-asa.
Hi! We are inviting all the alumni na mag-participate sa ating Centennial DSP dito sa PTC. It will be a collaborative effort of our third-year students, fourth-year students, and all the alumni na nagsayaw na ng DSP. So, para sa DSP ngayong year, the first part will be solely performed by the third-year and fourth-year student. So, yung alumni, papasok lang kayo sa part na after ng bridge. So, that is third verse. Okay? So, ituturo ko siya step by step and I hope makasunod kayo. For our first figure, it will be a full stomp clap. Okay? So, gagawin ko siya. Tandaan nyo, full stomp clap. 5, 6, 7, go. Full stomp clap. One more time. 5, 6, 7, go. Full stomp clap. Then, side, up, down. Ganito yan. Side, up, down. That will be the first figure. So, ang last figure natin is nakaganito. After, up, down. So, this will be the second figure. After, up, down. From here, cross, bato, chicken, slide, down. Ulitin ko, it will be a cross, bato, chicken, slide, down. Next, after down, nakagano na kayo sa glide, down, it will be snap. Tataas nyo yung left knee. Left na tuhod nyo, kasabay ng pag-snap nyo both sides. So, snap. Balik. Pull. Down. And third. Down. Snap. Snap. So, gawin natin ang figure 2 ng buo. 5, 6, 7, go. Pato. Chicken, slide. Snap. 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 Para sa ating third figure, meron siyang gap between the second and the third. So after the second figure, ang huling action nyo doon is chicken, glide, down, tap, boom, and snap, takbo lang. Kasi merong part dyan na may kukunin sila sa bulsa nila at isipan nila. So after that will be the third figure. Kung gusto nyong mapatunayan yung start doon, kung gusto nyong mapatunayan yung third figure, this will be the action. 1, 2, 3, 4. Kamay muna. Kill. Point. X. open. Para sa footwork, cross, point, stomp, stomp. So it's gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, back, forward. Get? Back, forward. After nun is open, close, open. After ng open, close, open, side, side. From the top ulit tayo. Back, back. After nun is by pair. Since individually kayo magpa-practice, hindi natin gagawin yung by pair. Ang isa-substitute nating action is snap. So after nung figure na tinuro ko sa inyo, ay 3 snaps. So muna tayo skill point. Skill point. Okay? 5, 6, 7, go. Ha, 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 snap, ha, snap, ha, snap. So after ng 3 snaps, di ba? 1, tap, 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 tap. Ang lyrics na nun is, mga kwento, maraming bago. Ang action niyan is, mga kwento, march, maraming, 4 direction. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tapos nun, ang concluding point is back. Then, rotate. Rotate, middle. Rotate, middle. Then, maraming ikot na kamay. Ikot, taas. That's it. There you go. Kompleto na yun. Yun na yung lahat bago mag-chorus. So, sasayuin ko siya from full until doon sa huli kong tinuro. Okay? Go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Snap. Snap, snap. Ligap, ligap yan, ligap. Ang kadulo niyan, kung gusto nyong mapatunayan. So 5, 6, 7, go. Kung gusto nyong mapatunayan, kakakak dito sa school at sa inyong mga guys. Mark, mga kwento. Maraming bago. Bumsak, matudulat, mamangka. Hi. So for our last chorus, I'm sure everyone is familiar with this. Siya pa rin yung universal chorus. So same pa rin. Para hindi kayo mahirapan mag-rehearse. Okay? So, papasadahan ko lang siya isang beses and sumunod kayo para ma-recall kahit paano. Okay? 5, 6, from this figure, 5, 6, 7, go. 3, 4, da, 3, then same yung ending, saka ko na lang sasabihin. So yun lang, sana mag-devote tayo ng time para mag-rehearse, panoorin yung video, and memorize them.
Pagputok ng haring araw, mga eksenang ito ang matatanaw, mga larawan ng ligaya, pagsisikap at pag-asa.